What foreign language are you learning? How much experience do you have with learning languages? Do you often see the information on the internet about language learning? What opinions do you have of yourself as a language learner? Let's talk about popular beliefs and myths which people sometimes believe in and which stop us from mastering foreign languages which we would like to try to learn. And in this video, I will talk about the first popular myth. We can call it, I'm not good at language learning. I hear that every day. You won't believe it how often I hear these conversations among my students, among my friends, among my relatives even. People like to say that they are not very good at language learning. Let's try to think what it means and what is underneath it. This comes from two reasons. The first one, you could have some kind of negative learning experience. It could be a language, it could be any other subject, it could be your general experience at school or university. We will be calling them academic institutes, and I will explain you why a little bit later. The second reason of bad feelings about yourself could be your fear to make a mistake. This could be just a part of your character, yes, your character trait, when you don't like this feeling of being a failure. And it goes back to our academic system again, and that's why I really would like to address this topic first of all, because I believe people block themselves in learning in most cases. There is no talent in learning. I often hear from people, yes, you have the special abilities, that's why the languages come easily to you. They don't. I can tell you myself from my own experience with 5 foreign languages I have learned. I can quote you endless examples of famous polyglots. Nobody will ever tell you that it was easy for them. And as well as a perfect learner doesn't exist. A perfect language learner doesn't exist. It is not a gift. It is just a combination of successful techniques and self-awareness. And I will never be tired of telling about that. When you learn a language, it is really important to know what you prefer and how you learn the best.